You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name from the history of Chile. We'll be looking at how to say more Spanish names, many mispronounced as well. So in Spanish and locally in Chile, it's said as Augusto Pinochet. I mean, there are slightly different ways of pronouncing it. Quite a lot of people pronounce it as Pinochet with a T at the end. Some may say it also as Pinochet, or Pinochet as well, because I guess it's maybe a name that has a bit of a French background to it, so you could say it Pinochet as well, from French, but generally Pinochet, which is just a slight T at the end. Augusto Pinochet. And now you know. More videos for you here. To learn more. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.